When we're back to Photoshop manipulations, this should be number 6 in my playlist. We want to bend this street right here, so it's a landscape blend. Some people also call it an inception effect. You can use the same photo if you want to. The photo actually makes a huge difference, and I think that's basically with all Photoshop manipulations. Choosing the right photo is an art in itself and very important. But once you've got it, pick a selection tool. In this case, the rectangular marquee tool does the best job. Left click drag to have a selection, and then you can right click and transform it. So readjust the selection if you want to. Just make sure that it's a horizontal one with a straight line. Then press Ctrl J. It's going to copy the selection. So we only have this bottom part here copied on layer 1 and the original below. We are on layer 1. I press Ctrl T. And then right click and you will find a perspective option. Left click on it and then you can add the lower bottom. Drag one of these nodes to the inside and the other one will be adjusted accordingly. Press enter and you've got the bend done. Let's go back. I do it again, but this time I make the selection a little bit bigger. So it's the same process, rectangular marquee tool, Ctrl J to copy, then Ctrl T, right click, perspective. And here you can see that the bend a little bit more extreme. So the selection also makes a huge difference. By the way, don't go to the inside here when you drag it. You want to stay on the outside of the canvas to have this horizontal line. Let's go with this extreme example. Once we've got that done, we activate the crop tool. Make sure that this option right here, W and H for width and height and resolution, is active, and then you can freeform just that. A couple of things that we can add to improve the results. Number 1 is we want to right click on layer 1 and use the blending options. And here you should find the gradient overlay. Check it. Open a gradient. Under basic you will find right here foreground to transparent. That's what you want. So foreground to transparent. Should be solid and smoothness 100% by default. If it isn't, set it. Then click on OK. The angle is important. You can see that down here. Set it to 90 degrees. Style above should be linear by default. Scaling, go a little bit lower, maybe like 190 to 110 should be fine for basically all images. And the opacity is the most important here. Go below 50%. And I've got it reversed because I want to have it at the top, not at the bottom. Then again, confirm. It says improved results, but now we have these bottom parts to fix. And to do that, we'll simply use the lasso tool. I'm on the second mode for adding to selection. I'll select the first portion on the left and the second one on the right. Then right click outside of the canvas, show contextual text bar, generate a fill, leave the prompt empty and just generate. And this should now give you a better blend. And this is one way to create this landscape band effect, also called Inception style in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.